Hey, this is Jason with the local locksmith company. Today I'm going to show you how to decode a high security GM ignition. Okay, so here's the ignition right here. And the first way we got to do is we got to take it out. So to take the ignition out of here, to take this apart, we have to push this pin in and slide. We got to slide it all the way off, just like this. And then all the and then you have to hold your thumb here, because that pin's going to want to shoot out, because there's a spring. It's spring loaded. See, here's the pin, the retaining pin, and here's the spring right here. So we're going to want to save those because we're going to put it back together. So now what we got to do is we have to take these apart, and what we're going to do is we're going to take them apart and we're going to decode the ignition. So how I do it is I just pull this out. I pull it out. All of them are loose and free, so you have to make sure they don't fall out. And we pull them out one at a time and read the side of the ignition. So this one says 2R. So that one says 2R, so that's the number 8 spot. See, that's in the 8 spot. It's 2R. So all the ones on one side are going to be even. All the ones on the other side are going to be odd. So we're going to do 6. So number 6 is going to be 1. 6 will be 1. 4 will be 'Gotta clean it off. It's kind of greasy. 4 looks like it's 4. So 4 is 4. And then 2 will be, take the ignition, take it out. I used to be scared to take these apart because I never took one apart. You can't be scared. So 2 will be 1. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8 is 1, 4, 1, 2. Now we flip it over and we take out 7. 7 is 3. So 5, 3, and 1. So 7 is 3. Hold on one second. All right, and write them down, because when you get phone calls, you forget them. So 5, I got to pull back 5 back out. If I pull 5 out, I don't know if I did or not. 5 will be 2. 5 is 2. 3 is, gotta clean it off. Trying to hold this everything up together at once so you can see. 3 is 3. 1 is 2. So if I do it right, 1 is 2, 2 is 1, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 2, 6 is 1, 7 is 3, 8 is 2. So it's 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2. And that's what I got from reading it with the leashy. So I just wanted to show you how to take one of these ignitions apart and read it. So There you go. So now to put it back together, I have a key. You can cut a key, and then you stick the key in there. That holds all the wafers in so you don't lose anything. And then you'll take this spring, and you'll put the spring back in here, and there's a little, if you can see it in the back of there, there's a little nipple that it goes on. If you don't put it on that nipple, you're going to have a hard time getting the ignition back together. It's got to go on that little nipple. Just around the nipple. Alright, so it's on the nipple. Now we stick the retaining clip back on. The retainer, we'll just call it the retainer. Put the retainer on there. So now that goes all the way on, so that's nice. And then we stick the ignition back in here like so. And then we go slide it back together. So now there's that. So now that's back together. And it's perfect. Alright. That's how you take apart a high security Chevy ignition 8-cut. It's going to find most of these on your Chevy Cruises, your Sonics, your Malibus, Camaro, most any of the Chevys from 2010 to 2015 or 16, Equinox. Now I'm going to cut a key and get this key program. This lady's probably getting, I don't know why I'm out here making all these videos, but that's how you do it. My name's Jason. I'm with the local locksmith company. If you liked the video, hit like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. We hope you do. And visit our website at mynewlocks.com. And we're the #1 locksmith downriver. Thanks for watching.